I went ahead and curled my wig. I'm gonna trim it down a little bit with my razor comb, but I wanted to straighten it and bump it a little bit first to see how it would look, but I'm gonna have to trim it down. This wig is fitting my head to a T. I did go ahead and cut off the extra lace on the sides because it was coming over my ears. It's a little bit too big, but it's fitting me perfectly now after cutting the additional lace. So big head friendly. I do not have on my wig grip. So right now I'm just gonna cut this lace and then we're gonna melt this lace and then I'm gonna come back with the final look. Tell me what you want. Take a look at what you see. Yes! Hey y'all! What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Before I begin my extra read all about it, today's video is sponsored by Ywigs. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their website. And if they provide me with a coupon code, I'll list that down below as well. Y'all, do you see me? Yes, because I know you see it. Y'all, like, what? I have absolutely no cons when it comes to this wig. Y'all know I love me a good pixie cut. And when they get it right, get it right, get it right, get it tight. Yes, I found you, Miss New Pixie. I have absolutely no cons, y'all. The only thing I can make you guys aware of is that the lace does come a little bit light, but your girl went ahead and fixed that and blended it down with some makeup. And y'all, we is serving scalp on a platter. Like, get it to it, because, oh, we about to do it. Yes, but I'm not going to sit up here and lie. When I first pulled this wig out the pack, I was like, oh, heck no. What am I going to do with this? The density of this wig is 150% and it's 8 inches. I thought I was going to have to thin this wig out with my razor comb, but I didn't have to. All I did was take it down a little bit on this side, like as far as cutting it, but I did not have to thin out this wig at all. Once I shampooed it and it air dried and I flat ironed it and curled it, it's hitting, y'all. It is hitting, and your girl is sitting looking pretty. Yes, I just love this wig. I have absolutely no complaints. Y'all know I love me a good pixie cut, and I feel like when I wear short hair, I look exactly like my mom. Shout out to my mommy, Angela, aka Penny. I look just like her, and you know, it makes me so emotional when I think about her, when I talk about her. But y'all, I'm just feeling good, feeling great, looking in the mirror like, hey mommy, like, yo. All right, I can't talk about my mom, yo. I get too emotional. But I have my dad. He's always telling me, you look like your mom. You look like your mom. And I'm like, I know. Thank you. Rest in peace to my mommy. But, yeah, y'all, no complaints. 8 inches, and this thing is laid in the shade. Drop a comment down below and let your girl know, how did she do? This wig does come pre-plucked. In my opinion, I didn't pluck anything. All I did was tint the lace with makeup, and y'all, look at it. It just looks so freaking good. Like, I didn't expect this wig to turn out this bomb at all, because I was looking like, can I finesse this? But baby girl, you did that. Yes, purr. As far as the hair, it did not tangle, it did not shed. If you receive a pixie cut and it's doing all that, yo, send it back. But we ain't got those issues over here. No tangling, no shedding. It holds a curl. Like, it's just, I have no complaints, really. And I told y'all earlier, it's fitting me to a T. Even though I feel like this wig is heavy in density, I feel like the back looks really natural and it's laying flat. Now, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys, but there is some humpage back there because I did have butterfly locks before I installed this wig. So my foundation isn't the flattest, but I feel like once I redo my foundation over, yo, can we say what we, but yes. And you know, you can trim it up and cut it up a little bit. I'm gonna get my husband to do that. But other than that, no complaints. None. Would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. I do think it's beginner friendly. Y'all, I did not do a whole lot of work to make this wig look good. I just sprayed it down, and that's it. And applied makeup, and that's it. And this is what we got. Give me what you got for a pork chop. Hey, come on, Shachingi. But it's not a whole lot for me to say about this wig, y'all. I'm just feeling good, and I look good, and that's all I'm thankful for right now. Once again, a big thank you to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. If you want to check them out, their information will be listed down below, as well to the direct link to my pages. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Facebook, you know, to support your girl and keep in touch with me. I'm not on social media right now, but when I am on social media, you can keep in touch with me on there. Thank y'all so much for all of the support. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Yes. You can have a piece of my love. Yes, I just love y'all so much. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.